Okay, let's try to trophy again, not be too creative. We are 25 and 7 or 8. So it's okay start. I am a little bit scared this time because I'm afraid that everyone already knows what to do, and I played only 4 I think drafts. I mean, I also kind of know what to do, but it's a bit harder to play against good decks than against like blue green. So my overall plan is that based on the stats, like we can stay top, try to be black red, kind of like in Ixalan. I had reasonable success with just being black white, although I had like 7 um, like 7 games I think lose streak on Magic Online once, like when the format was already real, figured out. Fuck off. Okay, so this is strong. We have okay engine card for the color pair that I hate. We don't have any black cards here, and we have Lost to Legend, which allegedly can wheel, but we have pretty strong. We have a pretty strong option here. I think I'm just since this is the only black card, I think I can try to get black on the wheel. And I already have some experience with playing Golgari, and Golgari is not the worst. Yeah, so let's see what we'll manage to do with this. So I have another Lost to Legend here. We don't have any black or red again. We have a trick in Orcish Medicine, but I don't think that double white is scary. Press the enemy is interesting, but so okay, so in terms of green we don't have anything as well. In terms of black we don't have anything as well. We could try some weird like white control, although this is engine. Yeah, but I don't think I'm gonna wheel the first guy. Okay, so here we're going somewhere with the red. This is just not doing anything. So I think that we can pick this here. And I don't think that on the left, the person on the left will be tempted to go to black, because like we gave them Orcish Medicine and now we're giving them Ambush and some unplayable. I think that if I pass Samwise here, then there is kind of no way back, but I'd rather set a guy on the left into white. Oh shit. Okay, now we have Torment. we have this thing, we have this thing. We could be splashing black. And this goes well with both Faramir and Smeagol. But I really don't like the archetype. In red, in principle, we have a 3-drop in red, but I don't think it's powerful enough. This is pretty powerful, and this is also goes with Faramir reasonably, but I think we're just taking the white-black card here and hoping to wheel the uncommon, but I don't think... Okay, white is really open. White is really, really, really open. Okay, so we have to be white. We have to be white, and we hope to be black on the path back. Now I wish I took Samwise then instead of Eomer. Oh, Samwise would be so good. Turn 2 Samwise, turn 3 Errant. Good luck. I think red is pretty closed, and the only chance that I will have to get white is... Sorry, to get black is pack 2. Pack 3 black is gonna be 0. But it's good that black was so dry for me, and so for my opponent to the left, and for probably for the person straight to the left. Although whatever they opened, they passed to the left, and then so this person had like 2 peaks of black, and then they probably should have pivoted. Did I disconnect? What the fuck is going on? No, I didn't. So this shouldn't be good. I can take this as a hedge to play Smeagol. Eagles are very powerful, I think. I think we're just taking... I think we're just taking this here. Okay, so this is our pack. So here we want to take a red card, just in case. Taking this as a 2-drop is a bit awkward. And we're very open about our second color, so I think I'll just take this. It's not a human though, fuck. Okay, we wheeled Lost to Legend, but we didn't wheel the second Lost to Legend. Oh, sorry, we didn't wheel the first, but we wheeled the second. Yeah, I'm not playing this. Here, probably we can take Inherited Envelope, just in case. And here it's easy, Torment of Golem. I think no one opened things. Okay, so what the fuck is this? Haste. This looks good. Another alternative would be to take this. Because this creates a lot of tokens, but I don't have the engine, do I? This can just kind of kill, and it also gets discounted for sacrifice, but I don't have a sacrifice outlet. I will want to wheel this if I take this. I think we just kind of want to splash legends. Okay, Smeagol number 2. We are wheeling this. And here we can take another Smeagol, but then we really need to sacrifice outlets. And we really need these lands then. Yeah, I think this is the plan. I think we're taking this. I don't think we can wheel this. So here we don't. So here it's between Morgul Knife Wound and Shire's Terrace. I'm pretty sure we're off red-white pretty hardcore. So I think here we take Morgul Knife Wound. I think we're playing like exactly one inherited envelope, but I really want this. So Marsh, I won't have a mass in white at all. So this is significantly weaker in my deck. Probably we could just take Troll here. But it's really hard to say no to this card, to be honest. But I'm not amassing. I think we should just take this anyway. No, we're taking this. Okay, here we have this guy, and we're just taking him. But my deck is not doing anything. Like, where the fuck is interaction? Where the fuck is engine? Where the fuck is anything? Okay, here is something to sacrifice with. And this sets up Golem. We probably need this though, but I should take all the citadels I can get my hands on. It's gonna be very awkward without it. Here probably we're taking Shelob's Ambush. Okay, third troll. Second troll, sorry, third cycler. This is not great. Okay, but at least we wield this, which is very good for us. But we didn't. Okay, so here is the land. I'm pretty sure we are taking the land here to cast our splashes. This is not good, right? So here we have to take. Well, okay, let's take this on the off chance we'll have self-mill. But even then, like, we are not a mill deck. We don't have mill cards, so this is not happening. Wow, that is a gift. I'll take it. Yeah, no one is drafting white. Like, that's for sure. Okay, so what do we need now? We need more sacrifice outlets, and we may need more. Well, first of all we need more holes. I mean, this triggers column, by the way, just on the front. Oh, if I have a target. Yeah, I want more interaction as well. So what is this? There is Shares Terrace. There is Second Breakfast, which is not too strong. There is a 2-drop and there is a Claim Precious. I think we just take Claim Precious because we're very low on the interaction. And again, based on our hypothesis, we are not going to see much black. Okay, so we have a 2-drop here. What is this? The beginning of end step. Put an influence. Scry 2. I think this is pretty good. And we can cast it on 3 always. Yeah, I'll just take it. Okay, enters the battlefield. Whenever another spirit created tapped. So I want to point spells at it. 3/3 flyer. I mean, it creates a token. So you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't know how phasing works, but okay. So we can take Old Man Willow or another Protector. I think sadly Protector is better because we may end up in a situation when we can't reliably cast Old Man Willow. So here we take another Torment. And basically our deck... Oh my god. Build a pony. Build a pony. My curve is not great. Not great. But we can't pass Build a pony. Okay, so here I just take Shire Terrace. For green. And we may have to play should we just take Generous End here? Yeah, I think we should. I mean, a 2-drop is a 2-drop. A 3-drop is a 3-drop. Well, okay, let's have a look at this. I have insanely little interaction. This is a huge problem for me. But I do have okay, so let's think a little bit. So we're not playing 2 mountains and we're casting this off what? Of Envelope, the Hole. Okay, so we'll think about it later. Okay, so let's just first have a look at what does it look like if we are just so let's have a look at Sacrifice 2. If creature died under your control. 2, 3. Yeah, we just didn't get enough sacrifice. Oh my god. This is annoying. So we're gonna have to be winning fair and square. Oh, 4, yeah, okay. So we'll have one sacrifice in the game. Oops, what happened? I clicked something. Oh, this is legendary, by the way. Could we just play a pile? I mean, if we're playing Inherited Envelope, we'd better play a pile, right? So if we are playing a pile... But, okay, so our 2-drops are these. I don't think I want this. But also if we're playing a pile, then this becomes significantly worse. Yeah, this is a bit of a mess. So what we're playing off curve? We're playing this off curve. Can play this off curve. The rest we want to play on curve. And Smeagol really wants me to be aggressive. So let's have a look at what it would look like if we cut the bullshit. How do we even go about cutting the bullshit? This wants me to keep attacking, this allows me to keep attacking. Is there a world where I play one less Torment? And 2 of these? And we just keep hitting them? Then we play Smeagol. And then... don't have recursion. It is so tricky. There is no way in the world where I'm playing 15 lands, although maybe I am. But then how am I casting Smeagol on turn 3? Can anyone explain this? This is what disappeared. Lol. So Smeagol rewards attacks. Smeagol rewards engine, but I don't have an engine, so maybe I cut one Smeagol. Maybe I cut one of these actually because I'm not attacking. Bring back this. Bring back second Torment. Just use sacrifice to activate. Like we want to draw this with Smeagol and it's very unlikely. Let's see. Let's say I play this off curve. How good is this? It blocks a creature with toughness 4. Maybe I just don't. Maybe this is the answer. Took me a while. Then I might just play good cards. There is no universe where I'm playing. Where I'm playing 15 lands. Not sure if there is a universe where I'm playing 14 lands, to be honest. I'm not cutting this, of course, although, I mean, I'm not, to be honest, I do have some stuff that goes a little wide. So I think the trick is to cut one of these. Play lands and don't be afraid to cycle these people. I'm not playing Inherited Envelope. I'm playing this. I'm playing this. Oh no, sorry. And I'm playing this. And then I'm playing one red. And now I have 16 mana 3, 13 lands. So I must have both on turn 2. Which means that one will be, but I am very heavy white. So probably I'm still, so for sure I'm playing more white than black. And let me try to understand what is this mana base. And so I'm virtually at 8 and 7. Shire's Terrace is a bit awkward to fetch for Swamp. And let's say that I fetch for Swamp with Shire's Terrace, then I still have 1-2 sources of red. This is virtually a red source, so I'm at 7 black. I'm like mono white essentially, so maybe it's okay. Problem is that I'm not casting Claim the Precious anytime to react to an immediate threat, but then again, is there an immediate threat? Yeah, I think we're trying to fetch Mountain with this. We can Dirtle, fly over, I don't know. This is a Mardu trains. Yeah, that train wreck tribal. Well, I'll stop recording and we'll see how it plays out.